Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Lipstick Amore. My name is Jyoti, and if you've already subscribed, thank you so much and welcome back. Today I'm sharing my October Ipsy bag with you guys. I actually really love the bag this month. It has this like gypsy feel, it's black and it has like these golden lettering on it, and in the back it says "You're magic, you're magic." It's so cute. I love it. I mean, the rest of my Ipsy bags are in a closet somewhere, but I think I'm actually gonna use this one. If you have Ipsy, let me know in the comments below. How did you feel about the bag this month? This time I got a lot of makeup, so I was able to create this look on my face with most of the products, and I will be inserting a clip and kind of walking you through the application of the products on my face. So they have 5 products, 4 are sample size and 1 is full size. So they have this Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator, Ipsy Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter. Let me just show you what it looks like on the inside. It's like a little powder packaging. It's quite cute. They have this Briogeo Farewell Frizz, kind of like an anti-frizz hydrating leave-in conditioner. Then they have this blush. It is from a company called the Balm Cosmetics. It's actually a really nice shade. Lastly, they have a full-size product, the Illuminati Quad Palette. Alright, so I'm going to apply all of these products on my face and show you how I created this look. First, let's use this Maracuja Tinted Hydrator by Tarte. It is supposed to be lightweight, easy to blend, and buildable. It actually gives my skin a very dewy look as I'm applying it. As you can see right here, all done. But I wouldn't necessarily say that it was buildable. But it did give my skin a very nice dewy look. Now let's put on this Balm Cosmetics Blush in the shade Stamina. It is really nicely pigmented and going on my cheeks pretty effortlessly. Now we're gonna apply this Ipsy Beauty highlighter. I'm gonna try the brush first. It's definitely giving me a nice glow here without being too golden or glittery. For a more dramatic highlight, a finger works better. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of concealer before I start the shadow. All right, let's go into the crease first with the lightest shade in the quad. It's applying really nicely. The shadows are very creamy. Now let's go in with a little bit of a darker shade, apply a little bit more in the crease and also outer corner of the eyelid. Now I'm going to use this shimmer shade and apply it on top of the lid. It's actually coming out more of like a glitter on the lid and it's very spread out. Now let's try the other shimmer shade. And this one is a little bit more metallic and sheen and applying nicely. Now I'm gonna take that darker matte shade and apply it on the lower lid. All right, so we're done. And now let's look at the swatches. Here they are. So we have the 2 matte shades and then we have the 2 shimmery shades. As you can see, the golden glittery shade is very light and you can probably top that off onto a matte shade. Here's a closer look. It's a nice quad. So my final thoughts on the products in my October Ipsy bag. I liked most of this stuff. I really liked this tinted hydrator. It did give my skin a really nice dewy effect. Now, I wouldn't necessarily say that it was buildable, but it did provide a decent amount of coverage and it made my skin look really nice and dewy. The highlighter seems nice. I'm not sure. To be honest, I'm not much of a highlighter person. I'm still new to the beauty industry and I'm still learning and exploring. So highlighter is something I might use for special occasions. So I'm not necessarily an expert in highlighters. I do really like the blush. It was so pigmented, so it makes it easy to just quickly apply and run out the door. I know it's still, COVID is still here, so we're not really running out the door much, but I do remember leaving the house 5 something in the morning to go to work, and during that time when you're doing makeup you want it to be super quick, so I like anything that's easy and quick. So really like the blush and I like the shade too. This one, nice shadows. I liked the formula. They were really creamy. I experienced no fallout, which I'm pleasantly surprised. I mean, the type of eyeshadow palettes that I've so far come across are Essence, e.l.f., ColourPop, and BH Cosmetics. And I always experience some sort of fallout, some sort of powderiness, and this one, no fallout, nothing powdery, just really nice. But with the shades in here, I feel like I can't really create a dramatic look, because I mean there are shimmer shades in here, and usually you use shimmer shades for parties, special occasions, and that's the time when you can create something dramatic. So can't really create anything dramatic with this. Perhaps they could have made this into a more of a matte everyday palette and just leave one shimmer for a little bit of fun and have 3 mattes in here. That would have been really nice, but I do like the formula of this one. So that's it for my October Ipsy bag. I really enjoyed sharing all the products with you. It actually makes Ipsy bag more fun for me when I get to share it with you and create looks and show you the looks I create with them. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.